Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a random blind boxes from PopMart. And we have these different IPs and a couple of boxes to unbox. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So we have 12 boxes to unbox for today's vlog. We have the Ziga, we have the collaboration of Molly to Zootopia, we have the Monsters Floppy of Instinctoy, and we have the Yuseko Ueno with two different series. So I'm so excited, especially with this Ueno Yuseko because this is a Japanese artist and this is my first time to unbox this one. So I'm so excited now to unveil all the figures that we have. So let me start with Ziga. Let me set aside these boxes first. Okay. And let me start with the old series of Ziga, which is the We All Are Kids. So if you watch my previous vlog, we have I unboxed the Healing, the Watch Out for the Bad Guys, Outer Form, Shielding, Opening Act. Yeah, that's it. So I'm so excited to get I really want to get this one, the new clothes. And I'm not sure if I have the losing control. So let's see. I want to get the secret. So as long as it's not a duplicate, I'm happy with it. So let me unbox this one at the bottom part. So I hope it's not a duplicate, but this one's quite heavy. Oops. Oh, this is a chunky figure. So let me show you our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, this is quite interesting. Oh, what we have here? Okay. Oh, nice artwork, guys. Look, Siga, we all are kids pretending to be bad. Okay, now I get it. It looks like this is the shadow of Ziga. It seems like she is in the lake or in a pond, and she is watching her shadow in the water. Like she's wearing this. I'm not sure if this is cactus-like outfit or a big a green mascot with this hat, a baby hat or a childlike hat, and she has this bunny backpack. It's pink one. I don't see much details with this figure. It's just so simple, but yeah, it's like Ziga trying to be kids. Like I remember that we are kids are like so curious, and they are trying to, you know, to check their shadows in the pond, like a reflection in the water. But then again, I really like that they always use an eye chip with Ziga, same like with Hirono. This one is so simple, not my prio, but it's so interesting figure. Yeah, what can you say about Ziga pretending to be bad? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next Ziga. Take it slow. I had the playful sprites before. I have the camping night. I had the walking in the meadow. So let's see. I really want to get the lying in the clouds. Okay, building sandcastle. Uh, and the secret, of course. So let's see. As long as it's not a duplicate, I'm happy with this figure. So let's see if we are able to secure a secret because, if you watch my previous vlog, I'm so lucky with single boxes to get a secret. So let's see, guys. Our second figure from Ziga. Oh, good thing that they use a branding with this foil. One, two, three. Oops. Hmm, who's this? Okay, it's like you should stand this one. So it seems like Ziga here is laying down side by side. And this is the art card. Ziga, take it slow. I really like the artwork. Very nice. Drying clothes. Okay, is it here? Okay, the second one. Drying clothes. So look how intricate the details of this one. The wire, the silver wire, where you hang your clothes, the oversized shirt. I guess this is socks. I'm not sure, or pants. It's so brown, and if you can see the details of the painting of Ziga's clothes, it's like a brush stroke. Even in the slipper of Ziga here, with some I'm not sure if this is one small tree. Not my prio, but though it's so different from the other Ziga that I have, I really like this one so far. So yeah, it's cute actually, but not my prio. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with Molly's Utopia, and I have these two boxes here. And from my previous vlog, let me show you the lineup. If you are a fan of Zootopia, I didn't watch the second film yet, but I've watched the first one. So in my previous vlog, I unboxed the Nick in uniform, Undercover Nick. I have Clawhauser, I guess yes, and I have Gazelle. So I really wanna get Flash. I really wanna get Flash here, and the Polar Bear and Mr. Big. So let's see. They have the same weight actually. So let me start with this one. Oops. This one has so much glue. So I will carefully unbox this one. I don't like to destroy the box. Our first Molly. One, two, three. Oh! Haha! We got Flash! Look! Look how beautiful Flash here! The slot! And you see, the finish material of the slot here is flat finish, very realistic. I really like this character from Zootopia. Look the claws. It's very slot type. Even the feet of Molly here has these claws of the slot. Very cute one. I really like this. One of my favorites from this collection of Molly, from this collaboration with Zootopia. Very cool one. I like the green moss necktie. It matches with the mint green, or I guess I'm not sure what kind of green is this one. It really matches also the emerald eyes of Molly. Very cute. I really like the color combination of this figure. Let me show you the art card. We got the Flash. Nice one. What can you say about Molly, Zootopia, the Flash character? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our fourth box. A second figure from Zootopia, Molly. Oops. Okay. I hope I'll get Polar Bear and Mr. Big. Or I don't have yet the hmm. I guess Judy in uniform. I don't have yet. So let's see. This one's so small. One, two, three. Hmm. Oh, meatballs! Cute! Cute one. Oh, I like this one. This one's quite soft, gummy texture. The tail of Nibbles here. I just thought that the hair of Nibbles also is a flat finish material, but this one is not. I really like the two front teeth of Nibbles here. Very cute. I like the outfit of Molly. It's very, like a Girl Scout type. Like she's about to go to camping and do the fishing. Yeah, maybe this one part that I really, really like because of the softness or the texture of the tail of Nibbles here. I just thought that I prefer that they used a flat finish material also with the head of Nibbles. But then again, this one is so cute. Not my priority, but I actually like it. Let me show you the art card. So this is Nibbles. Very cute figure. This one is one of the best part of Nibbles, the tail. So what can you say about Molly Nibbles? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with these three boxes from Instinct Toy Monster Fluffy Fantasy Journey series. So, in my previous vlog, I had the let me refresh my mind. I have the Glacial. Also, I'm not sure if I'm right. Only one I have? Yeah. Yeah, I only have one, which is the Glacial. So let's see. Though I you know that I'm starting to collect Instinct Toy. I started to love them. I started to love this character. So I want to get the Bloom from this lineup. Bloom or the Charming. Please don't give me a duplicate because I have this one already. So I want to get this Catching Stars, Bloom, Charming. So let's see. Our first figure for Monster Fluffy, Instinct Toy, the Fantasy Journey. Oops. Let me clean it up first. Okay, let me show you first the art card because I don't like to get a duplicate from this lineup. And if this will be a duplicate, so I'm gonna put this one in my online shop. So 1, 2, 3. Yo! Charming! Yes! I got my prio! So let's see. I'm so excited to see this one. An added collection to my Instinct Toy. 1, 2, 3. Yo! Look how beautiful! It looks like they are sitting in this on these heart-shaped clouds. Look, the details of the clouds. It's all hearts and it's translucent material. I like the scales of Instinct Toy here, the fluffy. It's so pearlescent finish, even the horns at the back, it's so detailed. This is what I like about this figure. He's holding these small hearts. They are all hearts together. Like, you know, they are surrounded with hearts. They look like sitting on the clouds with all these heart shapes. And I'm not sure if this is the bunny, like look like a bunny, Instinct Toy bunny, and it's pearlescent finish as well. I like this one. An added collection. Yay! I'm so happy with this figure, with this lot of pastel color teeth of Instinct Toy here. Very cute one. We have the Charming. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with the second box. So, I had the Glacial already. I had the Charming. So, let's see. I really want to get Bloom because it's so colorful. So, let's see. This one's quite chunky figure. So, I hope this is Bloom. So, let me show you first the art card because I don't like to see a duplicate. 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's Glacial! The one that I have. I guess. Yeah, this is the one that I have. Sad. It's a duplicate. That's why I don't like you know, encouraging or, trying to jinx this one. Now I have this. Okay, let me put this one as my duplicate to my online shop. Let's proceed now with my last box. I'm not going to cut this one. So, I can open now this one in the foil first because I have the glacial, which is the duplicate, sadly. So, let me unbox this one. No, it's not a good one. So, let's see. This one's quite chunky as well. One, two, three. Oh! Is this the blooming? Yes! It's blooming! Nice! No, no, it's bloom, not blooming. We got the one that I like. The bloom. Look. It's so beautiful. I guess this is the only purple from this lineup. That's why it's called bloom because of these flowers around him, like different colors of roses. They use a transparent, translucent material. Even at the back, it's so cute and detailed. There's a lot of glitters on it's like a big rose as well. The stand, it's a rose shape with some glitters. I really like this one. Very cute. It's okay that I had that duplicate and I got my prio. Very nice one. He has this like a bronze color horns or maybe a copper one. Very cute. I really like this one. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with these three boxes from Yuseko Ueno. I'm always having a hard time um, telling the name of Ueno Yuseko because this is a Japanese artist, by the way. So I'm so excited to unbox this one because I really curious about the figure because I kept seeing these figures from online and as far as I know, they have also a collaboration with Instinct Toy. So let me show you the lineup. So this is the lineup. They have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 confirmed figures and one secret which has a probability of 1 over 144. I believe this one is not available now in Pop Mart. So this one is a very very old figures or IP. It's not available in the Pop Mart website in the Philippines. So fortunately, I'm able to get some figures or boxes from these IPs. So from this lineup, I really wanna get Star Hunter, the Iggy the Kid. These two cats. Maybe this is Lily the Kid, maybe Kitty. Iggy the Kid and Lily the Kid. Also, Dreamer or the sailor. Actually, they all look cute and adorable. So let's see. I'm so curious about this figure. So I'm happy to share it with you guys because you will definitely like this one. You know that I really like unique IPs and figure guys. So this will be my added collection. So my first one is I just hope I won't get a duplicate. One, two, three. Oh! Oh, this one is cute. She's wearing a yellow raincoat again. It seems like I'm having a lot of figures with yellow raincoat. So should I collect all the IPs with yellow raincoat because I have the one in the Inusol and before I have the Journey in the Rain also from Eco Series of Hirono. This one is so cute and very unique. The thing that I like about this figure, guys, is the rainbow hair. It's metallic finish. It's just that the eyes is not an eye chip but a painted one, but they really did a good job when it comes to painting the eyes. It has a different colors like this one's red and blue. And if you can see the raindrops on the raincoat, it's so realistic. Very nice one. I like the glossy finish of the raincoat. It's just that she doesn't have the fit. You just have to put like this. Maybe this one is an oversized yellow raincoat. So let's see. Let me show you the art card. Oh, this is a nice one art card in the rain. At the back, you can see the some details or like a peekaboo eyes of maybe I forgot the name. Maybe this is Hapiko. Maybe this is Hapiko, I guess. So guys, very cute one, very unique figure. What can you say about In the Rain of Hapiko or Yuseko Ueno? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box. This one's very light figure. Looks like an hollow figure. So, I just hope I'll get Hapiko or Jupita. Okay. I just noticed that these are two characters. Like maybe this is Hapiko, this is Jupita. The boy or the male figure, they have this counterpart like from the Dreamer. This is Hapiko. In the Rain, this is Jupita. So they are partners together. So let's see. Our second figure. This one looks so. Maybe I don't know if. Oh, I dropped the box. I don't know if there's an figure inside because very light figure. Oops. Very light, very small one. Oh, I'm so curious about this one. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, that's why. Very small one. And there's an inclusion here. And we got Home and Sleepy House. Oh, look. It looks like the art card is some kind of puzzle piece. So you have to collect all the figures to connect all the puzzle pieces or this art card. Yeah, look, it looks like a puzzle pieces, guys. Look at the back of this art card. So we got the second figure, which is Home in Sleepy House. Let me show you the inclusion. This is a small house. Actually, I thought it's a magnetized one, so it's just like connecting with this one only. And this house, I'm not sure if this is like a small house. The finish is like a pearlescent finish. You can see there's like a one seeing eye here, the chimney with some like the veins crawling on the house with the red bricks. This one's so detailed, and it's just that this one is a very small one, and Hapiko is like hiding in this small cardboard box and shows your home. If you can see the colorful rainbow hair of Hapiko here, it reminds me of Kotyu. I'm not sure if that's Kotyu from Echo series with this small box. Yeah, very unique figure. So this is it, guys. We have the Home and Sleepy House. So what can you say about this figure? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with my last box from this series. So this one's quite heavy. If I'm going to assess this one, this might be Happy Gone. Or look, this one looks big. Also this Bongo. Or the Dreamer. So let's see. I hope this one is a cute figure. Though I really like this one. It's a very unique figure. I guess this is not quite familiar. or not quite famous from the other collectors, but I know this one will be a nice collection, guys. So this one's quite chunky. So let's see our third figure. One, two, three. Oh, the bear one, the bongo. And look, the details of the fur. Though this one is a translucent figure with a mix of lac material on the tummy with this heart-shaped tummy. And even the face is flax material, soft flax, and in the feet, yeah, it looks like I can match this one with my Instinct toy. Very cute. Not my Prio, by the way, but yeah, it's so different. So we got Bongo, and this is at the back. Like, let me check if this one. No, maybe this one's on the other part. Yeah, these are puzzle pieces that you have to complete so that you can see what's the artwork at the back of this art card. So guys, I'm not fan of this figure, but I can say it's cute though. Very different. Look at the claws. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our last two boxes of Ueno. Yuseko Ueno. Hapiko, the Art World. I'm not sure if this is the second series. So let's see the lineup. They have 3, 6, 9, 12 confirmed figures as well. And one secret. I really like the one with the crown. Which is the crown? I like the banana moon. And the artist. And the island head. I guess this is much more beautiful than the other series. I like this series. So let's see. I like the one in the cover. Oh, sad that we only have two. So let's see. Or secret. I don't know who's the secret here. Okay. Our first figure from the Happy Code, the art world. One, two, three. Oh. Oh! Hop figure again. What we have here? Angels Iggy. I like the artwork. Very Japanese, very anime. So we have here the Angels Iggy. I didn't see this one because it's not my prio. Though I like the finishing of this one, it's very metallic finish. The translucent wings at the back. It looks like this angel is like, you know, picking on the clouds, and it's transparent material as well. I just don't like because it's a half figure. It doesn't have like a feet, just like the other one that I have from the first series that we had. So this is Angel's Iggy. Looks like a purple cat. Not my prio, but what can you say about this Angel's Iggy of Hapiko? Please comment down below. Let's go now with our last box. This one's another, light figure again. So maybe this is melting or the Angel's Lily. I'm not sure. I just hope the one with the feet. So let me unbox this one now. Oops. Okay. Oh, I guess this one has a feet. So let's see. Our last figure of Hapiko. One, two, three. Oh! Oh! Oh, the one that I like. The Banana Moon. Yes! I'm so happy that I got my prio. Look! We got Banana Moon. And this is the inclusion. It's a boat-shaped banana with like, I'm not sure what kind of like an art. Looks like an art to me. I'm not sure if this is magnetized, but maybe not. She's sitting in this boat. And this one is so cute, guys. Look. Very cute figure. I like the color combination. It looks like a 3D painting to me. I actually like this one. Look how beautiful. Yay! I like this one. So we got banana moon of Habiko. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. Unfortunately, we had only one duplicate, but I'm so happy that I managed to get all the beautiful pieces that we have for today. And if you can see, my top 5 favorites are the ones in the bottom part. But if you have other favorites rather than mine, you are free to comment down below. If you had fun watching this, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you have some requests that you want me to unbox in the future, please don't be shy and let me know in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye!